Hello, my name's Glenn Evans. I'm the head of food for Iguanas, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of our most famous Brazilian recipes. And this one hails from the top of Brazil, the eastern coast, called Bahia. We've got fresh limes, chili, onions, tomatoes, coriander, peppers, and most importantly the fish that goes in there. So we have a sustainable whitefish called tilapia. What I love about this recipe, it pays homage to French cookery style. So like a lobster bisque, we deshell our prawns and we'll use shells as our base to get lots of flavour into the recipe. All of the ingredients that we use in our cooking are as fresh as possible. So even the garlic purees we will blend ourselves. So just to make sure that we're getting the best flavour out of all of our ingredients. We're going to end up using this same pan to cook the rest of our dish in. So we want to try and retain all of that flavour that goes into the finished Moqueca recipe. The fish stock in now, and that will pick up all of the flavour that's caramelised on the bottom of the pan. We blend it so that we're incorporating all of that flavour from the prawn shells into the base of the sauce, almost like our own fish stock. Okay, we're going to go into the second part of our Moqueca sauce recipe. So the tomatoes are going into the pan now. We're going to cook those with the chilies. The chilies are a nice mild chili, just giving a nice depth of heat in there. What we expect when we're employing our chefs is we want obviously a passionate chef to join our business and work in our restaurants. We're not looking for guys who are basically food handlers. They need to have a good skill set because we do cook a lot of our recipes from scratch. And so we're going to finish off our beautiful Brazilian moqueca, seafood moqueca, with some fresh coriander. And we were looking for a nice, bright, vibrant sauce here, full of flavour from the prawns. And as always, encouraging our chefs to taste their sauces before refrigerating them, just to make sure that we are keeping the sauces nice and consistent. We're looking for those certain aromas like the coconut milk, the prawns, the lime juice, and the tomatoes and garlic. And that is perfect. Now we're going to go to finishing. So when the customer asks for it, we're all about making our dish to scratch. Some of these recipes are nowhere else on the high street. These are great recipes, really different ingredients to use, and if you're passionate about cooking and you're passionate about learning about new ingredients and recipes, then Las Iguanas is the best place to go for. Okay, as you can see, the prawns are turning nice and pink. The white fish is holding together nicely. We still want it to have nice big chunks in the moqueca when our customer receives it. So now we're going to make sure that we keep that nice and moist by adding some vegetable stock in there. And our vegetable stock contains our unique chili puree recipe and then a really good decent vegetable bouillon. Now we'll add 4 ladles of our beautiful homemade seafood moqueca sauce. Okay, that's ready to serve now. And we're going to serve this in a traditional Brazilian moqueca pot. And these are produced for us, and only us in the world. Okay, so there's our beautiful Bahian seafood moqueca. If you're an adventurous and passionate chef that loves to cook from scratch, then click the link and come join us at Las Iguanas.